If you're looking to take control of your outdoor projects this year, you have come to the right place. We have tracked down the top-rated, most durable, and innovative garden carts on the market to help you make a smart buying decision. Whether you need something for heavy-duty hauling, a versatile tool that replaces multiple gadgets, or an affordable option for weekend gardening, we've got you covered. We are counting down the top 5 best garden carts with options for every type of user and budget, so you can work smarter, not harder. First up, if you are tired of wrestling with a traditional wheelbarrow, the WORX WG050 8-in-1 Aerocart is a total game changer. This isn't just a cart, it's an entire system. The standout feature is the turbo lift design, which makes lifting 200 pounds feel like lifting just 17 pounds. You can load it up, lean it back, and move effortlessly. It is engineered to handle heavy-duty loads up to 300 pounds, turning what used to be 2- or 3-person tasks into solo adventures. The smart two-wheel design provides incredible balance, and with flat-free tires, you never have to worry about maintenance. Plus, with 8 different configurations and included attachments for moving plants, rocks, or cylinders, its versatility is unmatched. It is a premium all-metal build that is built to last. Next, for those who need to move seriously heavy loads, the VIVOHOME heavy-duty 880 pounds mesh steel cart is an absolute beast. With a maximum load capacity of 880 pounds, it more than doubles what most competitors can handle. The body is made from fully welded, high-quality metal that is anti-rust and incredibly solid. The large all-iron mesh bed is extremely tough, and it features large 10-inch pneumatic tires that provide excellent shock absorption and noise reduction, even on hilly or uneven terrain. You also get flexible handles that turn 180 degrees for easy maneuvering in any direction. Perhaps best of all, the sides are removable so you can use it as a flatbed trailer for oversized items. It is also made with sustainability in mind. If raw power and adaptability are what you need, this is the one for you. Check the link below to see the VIVOHOME cart on Amazon. Number 3 is a fantastic option for anyone who values pure convenience, the Aerocart's heavy-duty dumping cart. Its claim to fame is the patented quick-release dumping system, which lets you unload heavy loads like soil or mulch without any back strain. You simply release the latch and the bed tilts forward effortlessly. It boasts a 600-pound capacity with a large 35-inch by 22-inch bed, and it rides on 10-inch flat-free tires, so you'll never be stopped by a puncture. The frame is durable steel, but the poly tub is rust-resistant and incredibly easy to clean. Assembly is hassle-free, and the zero-turn steering makes it incredibly mobile. It's the perfect companion for DIY, gardening, and farming tasks. For a cart that makes dumping as easy as possible, click the link below to check out the Aerocarts. Moving on to an excellent value pick, the BILT Hard 10-inch flat-free tires heavy-duty garden cart offers fantastic performance without breaking the bank. It features those hassle-free 10-inch no-flat tires, so you can navigate any terrain without worrying about punctures or leaks. With a 400-pound capacity, it's perfect for hauling firewood, tools, or garden supplies. The build quality is impressive, made from high-quality alloy steel and metal that resists rust and corrosion. You'll love the 180-degree rotating handle, which makes maneuvering in tight spaces a breeze, and the quick-release function on the sides makes loading and unloading super efficient. It is a durable, versatile, and easy-to-assemble wagon that is ideal for the average homeowner. To grab this reliable workhorse at a great price, follow the link below. Finally, we have the VEVOR 4 cubic feet, 600 pounds poly garden cart, which perfectly blends heavy-duty capability with smart design. Like the Aerocarts, it features a quick-release system for easy dumping, but it adds an adjustable 180-degree handle for effortless maneuvering. It's built to handle up to 600 pounds in its 4 cubic foot bed. The bed itself is made from high-quality 3mm thick polypropylene that holds its shape, reinforced with sturdy metal brackets. It rides on 10-inch all-terrain rubber tires that provide excellent shock absorption on grass and uneven ground. You also get flexible handles that turn 180 degrees for easy maneuvering in any direction. Perhaps best of all, they include a mesh cover and cushion to keep your items safe during transport. It is a rugged, versatile option perfect for gardens, orchards, or farms. You can find a link to the VEVOR cart in the description below. So, after looking at all these fantastic options, which one comes out on top? If we had to pick just one, the WORX WG050 Aerocart is the most innovative and versatile tool of the group. Its ability to transform into 8 different tools and make heavy lifting feel light is truly unmatched. However, all 5 of these carts were carefully selected because they represent the best in their class, whether you need raw power, easy dumping, or a budget-friendly price. No matter the size of your project, there is a perfect cart here for you. Be sure to check the links in the description for current prices and more details. If this video helped you out, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more top-rated reviews. Happy gardening, and here's to making your work a little easier.